Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Louis Vuitton unboxing, but it isn't any of the items that I did a poll on my Instagram. I found a bag that I really like, and it's kind of like the same one that I really have been looking for but can't get a hold of. And in fact, this is a piece that is hard to find and come by as well. And I was just texting my essay and asking her if she had this, and she did, and I just bit the bullet and got it. But yeah, today's video is a luxury unboxing. I'm sorry I haven't been posting in like 2 weeks. I did a Speedy 40 review and I just did not like how the video came out, so I was like, I'm just gonna wait until I get my bag and then do an unboxing, which is so much better. And I have been recently finding out that Louis Vuitton is like kind of my niche here on YouTube, so I'm not mad about it. I'm sure you guys aren't mad about it, and yeah, let's just stick with that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. But before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Marie Scotto. For those who are new, I like to do luxury unboxings, sometimes travel, not recently, but I do plan on doing some travel vlogs in the future if you guys are interested. And I also wanted to ask you guys, would you guys like daily vlogs? What is going on there? Would you guys like daily vlogs? Because I don't know, I just watch a ton of vloggers here on YouTube and I just think it's so much fun, and I would like to incorporate that on my channel. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's get right to this unboxing. So here she is. I'm so happy. And okay guys, I'm gonna be honest, I ordered this through my essay, came in the mail. I couldn't wait. I had to look at it. I don't know what it is, like I could wait if I buy something in a store because I like see the item and it's exciting and all, but when I don't know what the item looks like or never seen it before and it comes in the mail, I have to look at it. Like I have to open it right away. I don't have that, what is the word, that restraint. Is that the right word? I don't even know. I don't have the willpower. There we go. I don't have the willpower to wait if I've never seen an item before. And yeah, so I did look at it. So it isn't a true unboxing, but hey, it's still exciting. I could literally open up luxury over and over again. It's just that excitement of opening is such a part of the experience. But anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling because I know you guys clicked on this video to see what the item is. So like I showed you before, here she is. She sent me a shopper bag and I love that, and she also sent me free samples of their new collection of perfume. I love their perfume so much. I have these ones that I always wear. I don't know how to say them. Carabatent is one of them, and I'm almost out. So sad about that. And also another one is Jerez. I don't even know. I'm going to show you, but I'm also totally out of this. But I love how Louis Vuitton, you can refill them for half the price. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm just talking away again. Sorry. Okay, so here's the bag, and here is the ribbon that it came with. It's just their classic blue ribbon, and yeah. But I don't know how I'm gonna, no, I got this guys. So here's the bag, and here is the box. Okay, maybe I lied. Okay, nope, we're back on track. Here is the box. And I don't think you guys can guess from the box at all what this item is, but man, this brings me back to the old days when I did like Louis Vuitton unboxings religiously. So this box is magnetic, you know, Louis Vuitton is magnetic, and when you open it up, oh my gosh, so here she is. Now can you guess what it is by the shape, by the way it's laying? So okay, I'm gonna put the box down. Let me see if I can make it part of the background. There we go, how cute. Okay, so here she is. This is the dust bag. And are we ready? I got the dun da da dun This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. How friggin' adorable. So I have been looking everywhere for the Nano Speedy. I really want that bag so bad. The newer version though, because it has like the detachable straps, and I just think that bag is so adorable. I've always wanted it like forever, and I just kind of like forgot about it because it was always so impossible to come across it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna forget about it. And I had no idea they came out with a newer version, so I didn't even like bother to look on the website at all, and I regret it so much because even the other night, because I did the notify me on the Louis Vuitton website, and I wake up in the morning, look at my emails, it was friggin' available at 12 a.m. when I'm like in REM sleep. And I'm so mad because it was available at that time and I wasn't awake to get it. So I went back on the website and I hit notify me again, and hopefully I'll get an email when it's the daytime so I can get this bag. But other than that, I can never be able to get it. Anyway, let's forget about that. Let's focus on this beauty. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. It is such a cute bag. So friggin' cute. I got it in the monogram canvas. I don't think it comes in other canvases, but the straps are different. I'll show you the strap in a second. And yeah, like how friggin' cute. I just think this is the perfect size, even though the Nano Speedy is tiny and probably won't fit a bunch in, and I know this will fit way more. I just love the aesthetic of the Nano Speedy, but I love this bag just as much. And I recently found out about this bag. I was on the website and I was looking at all their Speedies, like, wait, they have a 20? What? So I looked at it, it wasn't available. So then when I was talking to my essay, I asked her if she had it. And then the time that I was asking her, another person was buying this, like the band that I wanted, because it comes in two colors. It comes with a pink strap or like a beige with some hints of pink. And I wanted the beige one because I wore neutral colors, and yeah, I don't really like the pink. So the same time that I was talking to her, someone came in and asked for the bag and bought it right there and then. So of course they're gonna get it first. And yeah, so I had to wait a couple days until like the weekend because it was last Wednesday when I talked to her. So then Friday she texted me, she said, I have one, do you want it? She sent me the link, I paid her, and here we are today with it in my hand, and I'm so happy. I can't wait to do a what's in my bag for this, like, because it's gonna be so interesting and how much I can actually fit. But let's just get right into the details. So on the side right here it says Louis Vuitton made in France, which is nice because I always like my items made in France. I'm just picky like that. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. So that's what it looks like on that side, and then this other side has another leather piece, and it has these two handles. And what I also like about this bag is the zippers. It has two zippers, so you can unzip it this way and also unzip it this way. So it opens like this. The interior is red, which is really nice, and here is the strap. So it comes in two strap colors. This is the beige with hints of pink and black and a little bit of white, which is really nice because I like that little hint of pink in there. And then they also have a full-on pink one, which I'll put a picture on the screen somewhere. And yeah, this is the one side that says Louis Vuitton on it, and it's really nice because I like the thickness and I like the feel of it. It's not gonna like hurt my shoulder or anything. And then on the other side just has the Louis Vuitton logo on it, and I think that's really nice. So you can have that versatility of wearing it this way or this way if you would like. So yeah, it comes with the 2D rings to put it on and some leather bits, and yeah, this is the strap. So now let's get into the interior of the bag. Like I said before, it is a red color, which is so nice. I always love the red that Louis Vuitton has. And in here I put my receipt, which I'll go over with you guys. It comes with this little pouch, and the key and the lock are in here. So yeah, I like how it comes with the lock and everything. And then on the outside of the box it had this, and it says Louis on it, which is really nice. You can add a little touch of a note on there for gifting it. And then here are the little tags that always come with it. So this is the order number if you want to check it out, the item number right there. And then this is just like the tab that it comes with about the exterior is coated fabric, the interior is synthetic textile, and the trim is Vaqueta leather. So yeah, that is really nice. And then let's get into the inside. So I like this inside because it is one giant hole, but it also provides you with a little pocket right here so you can slip some cards or anything important. And yeah, that's the interior of the bag. So now I'm gonna go over the price because I know some people are gonna be curious about it. And yeah, I'm not saying to brag about it or anything. I'm not like that. What just fell? Okay, so here's the other tag that just fell. And so this is the Speedy 20, and it was $2,030 without tax. So here's that. And I'll show you how much I paid in total. Why isn't this focusing? There we go. So that is the tag. And in total I paid, here's the receipt, $2,164.49. So a pretty penny for that bag, which is all right because I really love it. And I haven't been getting Louis Vuitton bags as much as I used to, and yeah, I just really like this bag and I can't wait to use her. And it's gonna be really nice when I go on my trip as well to use her because it's just like the perfect size, not too small, not too big. And yeah, that is today's video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this bag or anything at all, or if you just want to say hi, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, I can't wait to do a what's in my bag and a review once I start using it more. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.